Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the device lagging in your device Redmi 9A 9C. So if in this device you are having problem due to the device lagging, your device is working slow or you are having any issue, you can fix it by the way as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now to solve the device lagging or working slow problem, you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about it. Let's watch the video.